Hello friend. The following introduces a common stock technical analysis method, the moving average, MA. Its main functions are smoothing price fluctuations, making it easier for investors to identify trends, determining the direction of the market. For example, a stock price above the MA indicates a bullish trend, while a price below the MA indicates a bearish trend. First, please visit our website. The URL is in the description. Select Stock App, Free. Then click Free Trial. Open the free version of Stock App. Enter the US stock symbol in the input box and press Enter. Next, click Chart. Select Moving Average, MA, from the drop-down menu. The center section of the page displays the stock's moving average chart and trading volume data. This is the moving average, MA, chart function. Our goal is to develop applications that are suitable for everyone. More applications will be available soon. If you liked our video, please like and share. See you next time.